Hello, this is going to be a quick video on how to upload your Slay the Spire 2 mods onto the Steam Workshop, which just gained support from Megacrit in their newest Spire 2 update. So in their newest post, they have this link here, which just links to this GitHub for their STS2 mod uploader project. And there's a bunch of directions here on just how to use it, but I would guess that once people download the project, they might forget about this and how to use it. So yeah, just go to releases and download your correct zip file for your operating system, then unzip it to some location that you want, and then go to that location and then run the moduploader.exe. This will create the new mod workspace folder, which is going to contain a bunch of templated items. The content folder is going to be what is uploaded to the Steam Workshop. And for me, my mod content gets built directly to the Slay the Spire 2 mods folder when I'm coding. So I have this random mod folder, and I'm going to copy the DLL, JSON, and PCK file. Random Spire stuff. New mod workspace, content, put that there, and delete the readme. You don't have to, I don't think, but it doesn't really matter either way. So you replace the image with whatever icon you would like for people to see on the Steam Workshop. And then I'm going to call this random mod. And then the workshop.json file. So this is what you want people to see when you upload it to the Steam Workshop. So this is going to be the description, this is going to be the title, etc. Obviously, one thing to note is that when you first upload the mod, all these are going to get set properly, right? But when you also later update the mod, if you had updated any of these in Steam itself, but you didn't update the workshop.json, these fields will overwrite what you set in Steam. So if I add let me just show you an example here. So now I have my random mod, and so what you need to do now is you're gonna need to open the command line. For Windows, you can probably just right click this area and then click open in terminal. And then, so I am directly here to where this folder is, and now I could just run the mod uploader, which if you go back to the GitHub directions, it just says run these, run moduploader.exe, then upload-w, and then your workspace folder, which mine was called random mod. So click this, run this, and then this is going to open Steam. Okay, it's going to open directly to your mod. And again, if I choose to edit the title and description, and you're going to need to update the visibility if you want, according to how you want people to see it, public, friends only, etc. Hidden is no one can see it, and that's I think how it defaulted. Private is what it is in here. So yeah. So Steam's gonna verify your content, and then once you, if for whatever reason I need to fix something in my mod and now I need to update it, so let me work as if I've made an update. So fixed bugs in the change note, okay? And so now I need to run the exact same command, and this will update the mod, okay? And so again, whatever I set inside my title, my description and title was overwritten by the JSON file. So just be aware of that. If you make changes in the description in Steam, you might want to update it in the JSON as well. And then one new thing that Steam has added is if you're for Slay the Spire, if you have both the beta and the regular version, you can set a specific release to a version. So if you want a beta only release, you could set that release to only beta, to earliest game release for beta, and then yeah. So we could use that by going to the change notes. But yeah, that's pretty much all. See ya.